Howdy, this is Cletus Boone, but people call me Biscuits because I make the best biscuits this side of the Ohio River. This here pawpaw tree, this can produce some fruit so we can make some jam this fall. But today we're gonna make some buttermilk biscuits so good that a squirrel's gonna trade his acorns for a bite. Let's get out of these woods, let's get back to the boss level kitchen, and I'll see you there. Howdy, I'm the head honcho, Cletus, here at Best Breakfast Boss. I've taken over. I'm going to be making my biscuits, and I'm going to be making these biscuits probably again come fall when I can go out to the pawpaw trees and make some jam from them. But right now, what I'm going to do is I got my flour here. I got some salt. I got some baking powder and baking soda. Of course, I got my buttermilk, and I got some butter. So first, we combine all the dry ingredients together. And you know, biscuits are the best part of breakfast, especially any country breakfast. You gotta have some good biscuits. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the butter. We're gonna put the butter in the flour here. And you're gonna take one of these guys. You're gonna go ahead and just mash it in there. And you wanna work up all of the butter into the flour just like that. Just keep on working it. Clean it. And then do it again. And then just keep on going. So after a few times you making buttermilk biscuits, you realize that they're very easy to make. They're very tasty too. Work that a little bit with my fingers. Work that in a little bit. You have to get the butter nice and worked in. Pour some buttermilk in here. Pour it all in there. Get you a spoon. Mix it around. You don't want to mix it too much because it'll make the biscuits harder than the pawpaw tree. You want it until it's nice and shaggy. Just like this. That's good. Then we're going to go ahead and put our spoon aside. Move this. Always keep your teeth close. Go ahead and make sure we get some flour here. Make sure you lightly flour your surface. And you lightly flour your rolling pin. My dad said that my rolling pin here looks like a muffler. Go ahead and make sure that that's nicely floured. What you're going to do is you're going to dump your biscuits on there. Go ahead and just work that. Then we're going to take the rolling pin and we're just going to flatten that guy out. And it's still really shaggy here. You see, I got this from the dollar store. You don't need anything fancy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, I'm going to flip up the bottom, just like that. And I'm going to take it and flip up the top, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and turn it. Clean everything off there. Any extra dough, I'm just going to put in there. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that again. keep on working it. This bowl's getting in the way. Go ahead and get this kind of, just keep on working it. These are also building those fluffy layers in your biscuits. Flip the bottom up, flip the top up, twist it, press it down. And then you know you're getting close when the dough really starts holding its shape. Go ahead and flip up the bottom, flip up the top. And this is much more by feel than how many times I've turned it. And it's when it seems like it's good for you. Some people don't do this at all, and some people do it a lot. See, to me now this is batter is holding together very well here. Go ahead and I'm just gonna flatten it out some. We want it to be about a finger high. And then this is up for much debate. I like a 3-inch biscuit. Some people like a 2-inch biscuit. Whatever you like. Obviously, you're going to get more biscuits with the smaller biscuit. But I'm going to take this and you just push it straight down. I get my cast iron skillet here. Put that guy. Move this stuff out of the way. This guy here. What you want to do is you just cut off a biscuit there. You can already see those layers are forming. I just cut off pieces. I didn't cut this very well. You can see I get 3 good biscuits there. And then I push it all together. I usually only get about 6 biscuits. That's 4. Push it together. See, I flatten it out by hand. I don't use a rolling pin for this. There we go. We got 5. And I just kind of take everything that's left. I kind of push it down. I have my oven already at 450 or 425. Sorry. Push that guy together as best I can. We'll have a fun little one in the middle. He's a little different. I got my biscuits here. I did get 6. Put it in the oven, and I'll see you in 15 minutes. It took a little bit longer for my biscuits to get done than expected, but I'm going to go ahead and get them out. Sometimes you got to give your biscuits a few extra minutes, but as you can see here, that's how it's done. They're nice and flaky and golden. They look beautiful. And of course, you know, you got to try to take a bite of one. Take them out here. Put them right here. And that's how it's done, folks. Make some biscuits that are so good they make a raccoon sing the Star Spangled Banner. These are some beautiful looking biscuits. And that guy doesn't want to come out. And anyways, what I plan on doing a big breakfast here soon, where I'm going to do some homemade sausage, some creamy gravy, and of course some fried taters. And I hope that if you smash the subscribe button and you follow down below and you keep on coming back for some more Cletus home cooking, and that, you know, this fall the deer can't eat all my pawpaws. If not, I might get one of those deer, but that's a whole nother story. But anyways, I'm gonna make some pawpaw jam, and I hope you come back, and we definitely gotta try one of these biscuits because they're nice and big and fluffy. They're so flaky and good. Fluffier in the cloud, and they're flakier in the paint job of my truck. Until next time, I'll see you around. Thank you for watching the video, and have a good day.